In this video, we'll explore the top roofing shears that make cutting shingles, metal, and other materials quick and precise. Whether you're a professional or DIY enthusiast, these tools will help you get the job done with ease. Not everyone needs a dedicated metal shear, but if you want a portable, drill-powered option, DEWALT's DWASHRIR is a top pick. This shear attachment transforms most 18 to 20 volt impact drivers and drills into a powerful cutting tool. Its 360-degree pivoting head offers excellent maneuverability, making it easier to handle tricky cuts. Capable of slicing through 18-gauge material, it works on sheet metal, corrugated metal, ductwork, asphalt shingles, steel mesh, vinyl siding, and even rubber. The 1/4-inch hex shank ensures quick and secure attachment. Users love how smoothly it cuts through flat materials, though corrugated panels can be trickier. At just $55.67, it's an affordable way to add metal cutting capability to your toolkit. While it's not a replacement for dedicated power shears, it's a solid choice for DIYers, contractors, and anyone needing a compact, versatile metal cutting solution. Fiber cement board can be tough to cut cleanly, but the PACTOOL S724 Snapper Shear Pro makes it easy. This drill-powered shear attachment connects to any 18-volt or higher cordless drill, instantly turning it into a precision cutting tool. Its universal shear head rotates 360 degrees, allowing for straight, right angle, and curved cuts, even tight circles as small as 3 inches in diameter. Unlike saws, it minimizes airborne dust, keeping your workspace cleaner and safer. Designed for hardy backer and similar materials, it's ideal for siding projects, kitchen and bathroom renovations, and tricky cuts around outlets and hardware. At just $65, it's an affordable upgrade for contractors and DIYers who want fast, clean cuts without the hassle of scoring and snapping. The tie-down 13,000 AST 806 Roof Zone Shingle Shaper is a top choice for roofing professionals who need an efficient, portable tool for cutting asphalt and fiberglass shingle. This lightweight 14-pound aluminum cutter comes with an integrated handle for easy transport. It's designed to make straight, precise cuts and includes an angle meter on the table, allowing for more accurate cuts on valleys and hips. Whether you're working on a new roof or a renovation, this tool helps speed up the process by quickly ripping through shingles, eliminating the need for scoring and snapping. While it's perfect for standard cuts, some users report that it struggles with angled cuts and wears down over time. Priced around $65, it's an affordable tool for anyone looking to streamline their roofing projects. If you're looking for a reliable cutter for asphalt shingles, this one offers good value for the price. The AJC Super Shear Shingle Cutter is a powerful tool for roofing professionals who need to cut asphalt and fiberglass shingles quickly and precisely. This lightweight aluminum cutter is designed to handle thick laminate shingles, with the capability to also cut soft metals. It features a patented spring-loaded tension adjustment, which lets you fine-tune the pressure for different material, ensuring clean cuts every time. With a user-friendly design, the shear includes an adjustable fence, built-in measuring scales, and replaceable alloy steel blades. It's perfect for making precise cuts on both straight lines and angles, which helps save time and effort on roofing jobs. This tool is especially useful for roofing projects involving large surfaces, as it eliminates the need for scoring and snapping shingles. Priced around $300, the AJC Super Shear is a great investment for anyone who wants an efficient and durable solution for cutting roofing materials. The MALCO TSS1 Asphalt Shingles Turbo Shear Attachment is an excellent tool for roofing professionals and DIYers looking to make quick, precise cuts in asphalt shingle. This attachment easily fits into most corded or cordless drills, allowing users to make straight, circular, and square cuts with ease. With its lightweight aluminum cast shear head and carbon steel blades, the TSS1 is built for durability and efficiency. It can handle multiple shingle layers at once, thanks to its wide jaw opening and beveled lead-in tip. The tool also features a 360-degree rotating shear head, making it easy to navigate tight corners and difficult roof lines. The TSS1 is ideal for cutting shingles along roof valleys or around utility outlets, ensuring clean cuts every time. It's available for around $293, and replacement blades are also easily installed on the job site for continued use.